Tēnā koutou katoa, ko Lisa Tumahai aho, te Kaiwhakahaere o te runanga o Ngāi Tahu. Kia ora whānau, and welcome you to this year's annual report. We've had another successful year. 150 mil net profit has come through from our holding corporation, which gives us an opportunity as Te Runanga to think about our distribution that we'll receive from that and how we allocate that across our tribal programs. So some of the key achievements within the office for the year are around some of our initiatives like Pōkai Ao. So we've increased our Pōkai Ao initiative for our rangatahi, so that's sending our young people through to Silicon Valley in San Francisco. We've also had another Pōkai Ao team that have gone through to Hawaii, and that's exposing our young people to technology, to innovation, to the future that they need to think about when they're thinking about their career pathways, what's in store for us in our environment, in our economy, and have them thinking about the big wide world and the things that are open to them. Another achievement for the year is the launch of the school starter packs. So we've had 560 young tamariki register to receive their school starter packs. So that's been a fantastic initiative, and it's had wonderful responses from whānau. We've had a number of things in the political space happen. So we've got our freshwater advisory group, and that's looking at how we take those principles that were launched at Huia Iwi last year and move those principles into an implementation phase. So we'll be reporting back on that at this year's Hui Ato. There's also been the completion of the iwi climate change strategy. So the climate change strategy has been approved by Te Runanga and will be launched again at Hui Ato. Our Kotahi Mano Kaika initiatives have continued for the year. Our numbers of whānau engaging in those initiatives is increasing. We had over 3,000 whānau attend our Ngāi Tahu roadshows, which were throughout New Zealand and also Australia. We've completed our whānau survey, so there have been great results from whānau participating in that. That will guide our decisions going forward around our wellbeing, our oranga initiatives for whānau wellbeing, and we've also at Huia Iwi we'll come to the completion of our form and function survey, which is how we govern our organisation going forward. I'm really proud of the fact that we have engaged to a level that we've not done in the past with Ngāi Tahu whānui and opened up different mechanisms of participation for Ngāi Tahu whānui. And that's still a work in progress, and we've got lots of ideas to continue progressing that. One of the things that we're really committed to is how we get around the regions and continue to build those relationships and strengthen them with our Papatipu Runanga. At a governance level, we've worked really hard as a team to improve and enhance the way that we're governing. We've all committed to the kaupapa of building kotahitanga at the table, of enhancing participation of representatives. So one of the things that myself and Matapura have committed to is building a team of leadership. Haere will result in the next evolution and pathway that we as Te Runanga o Ngāi Tahu take to enable the aspirations of Papatipu Runanga and Ngāi Tahu whānui. The whanaungatanga, manaakitanga of the iwi has been really strong over the last 12 months, and so just want to acknowledge everyone for that.